Somebody pray for me. It been that day for me. Yeah, yeah.
Alright boys, we're rolling out today, and we're going to be picking up a dirt bike. Grabbing a new project, boys. I'm stoked for you to see this one. You're wondering, yes, we're still staying on the two-stroke game right now, so. Gotta drive all the way across town, then we also gotta run to the parts store, a cycle shop, and find a 290 jet for my Banshee so we can possibly go ride tomorrow. And right now, man, the sun's kicking. It's feeling nice outside. Looking beautiful outside.
That's got a big old crack.
Really?
So
it'd be better to find a new tank, you think, off of eBay?
Probably. I mean, we could try to, you know,
Plastic weld it.
we could try to, but.
Hey, she looks good. She got the FMF pipe. Oh yeah. Do you know if it's leaking? Is that cracked?
Yeah, it comes out when the bike's like on the side.
Yeah.
80.
What year is it? Do you know?
No, I don't.
Do you have any title for it or nothing?
No.
But you got it for free, right?
Yeah. I was buying like my friend's bikes, and he's like, "I'll throw this in for an extra 100." I'm down.
The VP racing piece on it.
And I like that
thing. You're cleaning the carbs regardless.
Ouch.
What happened?
My fucking finger, bro.
From the chain? You good, bro? Fuck, I know that shit's not fun. Here, yeah, I got you.
Fuck me. Ow.
Oh yeah. One-handed slammer down the stairs. Don't want to set it on the paint, not the fresh paint. $100 KX80 right there. Chuck just destroyed his finger, I think, grabbing the sprocket on this thing. But first look at her, she's actually cleaner than I thought it would be for a bike sitting in the backyard. But dude, rusty rotors, of course, all types of little rust. But overall, it looks pretty clean. Hell yeah, dude. This one's gonna be a fun one. Leave a thumbs up on the video if you're stoked for another two-stroke build. $100 dirt bike right here, baby. Wow. And the gas tank's cracked too. If you have an extra KX gas tank, let us know. There's gas in it. It's like something floating around in there too.
Dude, he got stuck right in here, dude. Look. This. Bah!
Definitely needs some work.
Are these
though, bro.
custom stickers? Or these aftermarket?
I don't know. To be honest, One Industries, it has to be custom. I doubt they did a collab stock.
Yeah, look at this seat.
Yeah.
That seat.
It's pretty cool though.
This side's nice, the other side.
Yeah. Yeah, the other side's fucked. It just needs to be cleaned really
Look how
bad.
tiny though.
Dude, no, it needs a lot of work. Look at the tire. You're gonna need new tires. You're gonna need a carb, new tires, maybe rotors if you can sand these off.
Rad.
Gas tank. Let's say the story behind this.
So my friend had it at his house, and I was picking up another Elite, another S, and he threw
Which
this in
S
for
was it? The one you sold?
Yeah, the one with the Jap headset.
Oh yeah.
And I was picking that up for like 300. Had the motor, this there too. It was at his grandparents' house. I don't think they wanted it there anymore.
Yeah.
But
I'd imagine.
bro, fucking that is super good deal. Yeah, it's cool. It's got a little FMF Gold series on it. It's all dented up, but
yeah. It's so bright out. Still got the sun rolled on though. You liking it?
yeah, I like it. So they're not bad cars. For the regular person that doesn't care about wanting to protect it,
Yeah.
like they are perfectly fine. I would want a genuine Keenan, man.
Keenan, Kevin. It's feeling nice outside today. It's sunny. Feeling the heat coming in. No way. Is it cracked?
I have such bad luck.
That was a one move.
Pockets, man. Bad luck, bro. I swear I tried. Every time I hang out with you, bro, I f it up.
It's like that. There's havoc out here.
I finally rounded the.
Loaded up with it. And the 72 piece. Come on now. Comment down below right now what you guys think we should do with the KX80. I just tried to look, could not find a gas tank for it. It's a 1995 KX80. It seemed like the only year it's hard to find a gas tank for. It's weird. There's all the way up till late 80s, early 90s, and then like 91. I think it's 92 to 97 fits. And it's the only one that we can't find on eBay right now. I just looked, so still gotta do some more research. But if you have one, let me know. Or let me know what you guys think we should do with this thing. All right, we're at the spot. We're gonna see if they have that 290 jet for your boy, for the Banshee.
Yeah, big boy.
The big boy jets. He's washing the bike wheel with the windshield wiper.
He's getting it.
Yeah. Just picked up some jets. We're going 310s with 27.5s now because what's in there is 290s with 25s, but he didn't have any 290s, so suckered me to buy all 4 now. Honda boy piece. Had to.
Fuck yeah.
The MOPBOYZ gear, the Dopey T, the JDM shoddy, and real MOPBOYZ piece.
Your favorite, yeah?
Yeah, probably. I got the shirt like this too. The shirt looks super sick. Check the description below. These are on the site right now. Support your boy.
That's all.
MOPBOYZ beanie piece. Yups.
Oh, yup.
The JDM piece. Yups. I pulled out the bikes now. Here's the new KX80 project. I was looking into the tank a little bit more last night. It is really, really hard to find a used 95 tank, but it looks like a lot of people go with these desert style tanks for these because these ones are known for cracking and they're just cheap plastic on them and just really old. So gonna have to get a desert tank if I can't find one, but they are kind of expensive. They're like $300 for the tank. So get that, a carb, and a few things for this thing, and then we could try getting this thing started. So this is gonna be a fun project. Yeah, let me know what you guys think of that. Next video, I'll clean this thing up and start taking it apart. Needs new tires for sure, and just a few other little things. So figured we'd take a better look at it and take it apart next time. So if you guys are stoked on another 2-stroke project, leave a thumbs up for this video. Make sure to check the description below and check out the new merch. And yeah, boys, we're about to go riding right now. I just did some work on the Banshee, cleaned up the chain, and cleaned the air filter, cleaned the chain, air filter, and realigned the front. So there was a few comments on the last video when I first rode the Banshee and people saying it looked like my steering was off. It actually was. I think when the person had the steering stem that was bent on their bike, messed with the tie rods to make the bend feel not so extreme. But so when I put the new steering stem on, the tie rods went right, so my right wheel was like to the right. I noticed when I was on the street the other day because it was pulling it super hard. So just realigned that and did the chain. So we're about to go riding now at Apex, mess around on the dunes a little bit today. It's a beautiful day out, so I'm about to go do that. So that means stay tuned for that video. Should be out in a couple days, and I'll see you guys in the next one.